Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second part of this exercise. Let's come to the question. Question 6. How is cotton cultivated? How is cotton cultivated and converted into cloth? Answer. First, you have to make a point. Cultivation of cotton. People in India and Egypt were the first to make cloth from cotton. Cotton plants grow based on black soil and in a warm climate. In our country, cotton is cultivated in Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, etc. Cotton is planted in the early spring in about 2 months. Early spring. In about 2 months, white and yellowish flowers come up, slowly turning pink to red. Full stop. After about 3 days, the petals fall off, leaving behind a green seed-like structure called ball. B-O-L-L. The ball grows slowly. Full stop. When fully mature, it bursts, revealing white fluffy cotton containing brown seeds inside. Cotton is picked by machines. Second part of the question. Converted into cloth. The cotton fibers are spun into yarn and the yarn is woven to make cloth. For weaving, a line of threads is laid lengthwise and another thread is placed crosswise, alternately above and below the lengthwise threads. Full stop. This is done with the help of a shuttle. Now come to the next question. Describe how silk is produced. Production of silk. About 4,500 years ago, the Chinese discovered an insect, the Himalayan silk moth. Full stop. The female moth lays about 200 to 500 eggs and dies. The eggs are preserved. The worms come out when the eggs hatch. They are fed on mulberry leaves. When the worms are fully grown, they build their own protective covering called cocoons. A cocoon is made of a thin thread-like substance formed by the hardening of the worm's secretion. Finally, the worm becomes a moth. The cocoon is now kept in hot air so that the moth inside it is killed. If the moth comes out, the cocoon is damaged and the threads or the silk filament break. A silk filament we get from a cocoon is 600 to 800 meters long. Twisting the fibers into silk thread is called throwing, and after being thrown the silk is bleached. After being thrown the silk is bleached. Now come to the next question. Question 8. Explain what a polymer is and name at least one natural polymer. Answer. Fibers like cotton, silk and wool belong to a class of substance called polymers. Next page. A polymer is a giant molecule formed by the end-to-end joining of small parts or units called monomers. As the monomer repeats itself throughout the whole polymer, it is also called the repeating unit of the polymer. Starch and cellulose are common examples of naturally found polymers. Question 9. Describe in short how viscose rayon is obtained. Answer. Cellulose, say cotton, is dissolved in a mixture of sodium hydroxide, also called caustic soda, and carbon disulfide. A viscous liquid called viscose is obtained. Viscose is forged through spinnerets, which has very small holes, into acid bath and the filaments of viscose rayons are obtained. The filaments of viscose rayons are obtained. Now come to the objective questions. Choose the correct option. Question 1. DAP is commonly used as option A, an antibiotic, option B, an antimicrobe, option C, a fertilizer, option D, a cosmetic. DAP stands for diammonium phosphate. So the answer is it is a fertilizer. Option C is correct. The next question, which of the following is a sugar substitute? Option A, sucralose, option B, boric acid, option C, talc, option D, urea. Answer, sucralose, option A. Question 3, the use of iodized salt helps prevent option A, malaria, option B, goiter, option C, typhoid, option D, diarrhea. Option B, goiter. The correct answer is option B, goiter. Question 4. The gas in a packet of potato chips is option A, oxygen, option B, hydrogen, option C, nitrogen, option D, chlorine. The right alternatives is option C, nitrogen is correct. Option C, nitrogen. Question 5. To which of the following types of fibers does terylene belong? Option A, rayons, option B, polyesters, option C, nylons, option D, acrylics. Correct option is option B, polyesters. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, urea gives nitrogen to the soil. Number 2, sodium benzoate is used in food processing as a preservative. Number 3, boric acid is used as an antiseptic in cosmetics. Number 4, ginning means removing seeds from cotton. Number 5, acrylics are wool substitutes. Number 6, synthetic fibers are stronger than natural fibers. Right, now come to the next question. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. Statement 1, potassium chloride is used as a fertilizer. It is true. Statement 2, vitamin C is ascorbic acid. It is also true. Number 3, talc is not a silicate mineral. It is false. Statement 4, penicillin is an anti-malarial. It is false. Now come to the next page. Statement 5, the ghee was invented in China. False. It was invented in India. Statement 6, a silk moth lays only one egg at one time. It is also false. Statement 7, the wool obtained from a live sheep is called pooled wool. It is false. Statement 8, dacron is a polyester fiber. It is true. Statement 9, nylon 6 is a semi-synthetic fiber. False. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and make comments on it. Your subscription and comments are necessary.